Hello, welcome. I'm not comfortable with this, so and I made a new pack. I will not release it yet, so yeah, enjoy the video. I don't usually make commentaries, so I'm not comfortable with this. Okay, Aqua is dead. By the way, this pack is not finished yet. I will release it when I'm finished. So yeah. I have the NT and okay, I still fall. Let's go here and drop this. Okay, run. Break the bed, break the bed, break the bed, break the bed. Yes, I got him, and I got snake. Okay. My recording didn't record last time, so we're back to a new game. Let's win this one. Hehe. What? How can I fall? One of my favorite thing about this pack is the sky. It look really damn beautiful. So I am happy to release it soon. So yeah. This texture pack is a edit of Faithful 32 by 32. Oh, yeah. Okay. Anyway, this texture pack is 32 by 32, which is like a Faithful edit. This pack is also red colored. I'm actually happy to release it soon. So yeah. Forgot to mention, let's get light goal of 30, I guess. 30, okay. What? How did I won? Lol. Alright, another match with this new pack. So let's hope I got a win again. For your information, this pack doesn't have name yet. So if you guys have any name, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Okay. Not gonna lie, I really don't want to make a commentary because I'm not used to it. So if you guys want more commentary, please leave a like. It will be appreciated. The red team is not at their base, so I'ma go to red base. Okay, let's break their bed. I'ma break this. Got a bed, yes. Place it back. Okay. Where is the red team? Red team is out from the game. So the only team left is green. Let's break their bed. What? My bed got destroyed. I thought I'm gonna die there. I got him at least. I got a bed. Go teammate. Kill him. Go teammate. Come here. Okay. One down. As you can see here, the diamond armor is red colored. He's invis. Did you saw that? Where are you? That bed bugs is annoying though. We can kill him. Yeah, got a win. Yeah. I really don't like making commentary, but if you do, please leave a like.